Welcome to Mommy's Cuisine.
Sente se coma saborosa.
And be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. So today we're going to learn how to separate our egg white from our yolk. This is really simple and straightforward. This is how I was able to do it finally. So where I had pointed at is where we're going to firmly but gently tap our egg. And we want to, be careful not to be squeezing it because, it's a fragile thing. Now, it's important that we hit the egg in a correct spot, which isn't, important in separating the two components of the egg. So we want to go a quarter of the length down on the egg. That's where we're going to hit the egg, right where I'm rubbing my fingernail at. And we want to do this firmly and gently on your countertop or on the edge of the bowl. And once we've done that, we're gonna push in on the egg, push in where that break was made, and then we're gonna split the two pieces apart. And you'll see that the egg white will be the first thing to drip out of the shell, and then we're gonna toss the egg back and forth, and this is going to cause the yolk to roll, and as it's rolling, the egg white will drip out. And there we have it. We have separate the two parts of the egg, and I'm just going to toss it back and forth again. It's going to make it roll, and you see this is a little bit more white in there. Sometimes you can get it all out, completely out, and sometimes you can't. You just don't want to do it to the point where the egg yolk is dripping into the bowl. So there you have it, but simply put. I hope you found this useful. Please subscribe and please share. Take care.